The gallery wall. As posh as it may sound, it doesn't have to break the bank. And as gorgeous as it looks, it's easier to put together than you might think. I too have a gallery wall, not only because it looks gorgeous in my small living room, but also to serve as a visual demarcation, drawing a clear line between my living area and my dining area. For my gallery wall, I think of it as a montage that expresses what's important to me, memories and stories from people I love, and things that matter to me. Favorite out of all this artwork here, which is the pictures of my parents' wedding. My mother kind of hated it, but I love it. Look at the expression. This is a picture of my baby Shiro and painted by my sister. Here he is. To create a gallery wall, I will begin using my TV and soundbar as a focal point. Just a quick shout out, we want to say thank you Samsung for sponsoring this video. We watch a lot of movies at home, so having a great sound system is of course crucial for the experience. Well, usually soundbar is pretty thick and black, and it's totally ruined the interior, but with the Samsung Ultra Slim Soundbar, it's just so slick and blend into the space so well. And it adds such a delightful touch, gently softening the appearance of the wall, and it can be easily matched with any TV. The Ultra Slim Soundbar also comes with black or white, and I can customize the skin for the soundbar to suit Samsung the frame and also my interior. Perfect. There is no special trick to how I arrange everything on the wall. We need to get to know a few guiding rules when it comes to displaying art in a gallery wall style. A good rule of thumb if you're hanging a single big artwork, make sure it's around 140 to 160 centimeters off the ground. Since I wanted to incorporate my TV into my gallery wall, I used Samsung the frame as the starting point for designing my gallery wall. The best way is to work sidewards and upwards from there, and the distance between each artwork should be about 10 to 20 centimeters apart, so they still feel connected but not congested. And I will have a cabinet below my TV as well. For visual balance, it is best to have the TV about 20 to 30 centimeters above the cabinet. The TV should be about 2/3 of the cabinet's length to create the visual balance that brings comfort to our human eyes. It doesn't have to be precise, it doesn't have to be perfect. If you stick to these few basic rules, the gallery wall will come alive. There's pretty much you need to know, and you're welcome. And to make decisions about arranging my gallery wall, halfway through, and my gallery wall is really starting to take shape. Let's talk about the frame TV. It's designed to look like a slim picture frame in your living room, and it comes in various color options designed to suit any space as well as the fickle taste of someone like myself. And today I will use the sand gold bezel. The slim wall mount and one connect box allow the TV to sit flush against the wall, keeping the surrounding space tidy and seamlessly blending into any interior design. A dock is not included. There are more than 2,100 artworks to choose from to display on the frame. When the TV is off, the matte display makes the art look very much like real art with a picture frame, and when the TV is on, it is anti-glare. Wow, Nam, the quality is really out of this world.
I'll start watching TV, he's got to finish the wall.
The Ultra Slim Soundbar from Samsung is perfect match for the frame. With the world's first wireless Dolby Atmos, you can enjoy surround system without running a cord to your TV, and the true 3.1.2 channel sound create a more immersive sound experience for a complete home entertainment. The Q Symphony, which is Samsung's leading technology that will play sound from both Samsung soundbar and Samsung TV speakers at the same time, creates excellent surround sound experience as it adds more depth and clarity. It sounds so real, your neighbor might be surprised thinking you are keeping a lion as a pet when you're watching a wildlife documentary. Well, maybe that's a little too exaggerating. By now, my gallery wall is finally done. But now the TV cabinet seems a little too small underneath the frame. Remember the 2/3 rules to achieve the visual balance? You can extend the length of the TV cabinet visually by adding a few plants here and a few plants there. And I also use the Ultra Slim Soundbar as the shelf for my little figurines. Multi-purpose, I hear you say. Books, check. Citrus for extra vitamin C, check. Banana lamp, check. And my favorite second-hand chair, check. And finally, a pear pillow as a delicious garnish. And here, my friend, is my gorgeous little heaven on earth. The great thing about a gallery wall is that you can always rearrange it to refresh your small living space, or even swap artwork with friends or family to get a new look and feel.